Hello and good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro, and today we are in Capricorn, Ascendant and the 7th house Kartatva for marriage, type of marriage and timing of the event. I wish all my viewers are safe and sound and well protected from the pandemic. May Mata Rani bless us with good health and the ability to take care of our loved ones. In today's video, we will look at the 7th house Karatattva of marriage, type of marriage and timing of the events. Please continue to watch my video. It would be useful. The Lagna and the 7th house is clean. That is Capricorn and Cancer are clean. No planet is posted there or no planet is aspecting them. The Lagna Lord Saturn is posted in the 11th house and he is aspected by Rahu, Jupiter and Mars. Moon, the 7th Lord, as well as the Karaka in marriage parameters, is conjoined with Ketu and aspected by Rahu. Therefore, Moon is in Rahu-Ketu axis and aspected by retrograde Jupiter. Venus, the Karaka for marriage, is conjoined with Mercury, Sun and Mars, aspected by Jupiter, again retrograde. Since Jupiter is aspecting both Saturn, Moon as well as Venus, we can expect an retrogression, which means to say unconventionality in the parameters of marriage. Now let us look at the Navamsha chart. Navamsha has gone to the Ashtama or the 8th from the Rashi Lagna, and Mercury is posted in the Navamsha. Mercury is all alone with no other planet conjoining it. Therefore, the native will have hurdles in the parameters of marriage. Mercury will be the saving grace because Mercury alone is always considered benefic. Now, coming to the type of marriage, the native will have a love marriage with all the rituals in the marriage parameters. There is a link of Lagna Lord with the 3rd house Lord and the 5th house Lord and the 9th house Lord. The 7th house Lord is missing but is aspected by Jupiter. Therefore, since Jupiter aspects the 5th house Lord, the 9th house Lord and Saturn along with the 7th house Lord Moon, the native will have a love marriage. Now the timing of the event. The native walked into the Rahu Dasha in 2008 June. Rahu is a marriage giver, true, but in this case he is a definite marriage giver as he aspects both the Lagna Lord as well as the 7th house Lord. Now in the Rahu Dasha, Rahu Bhukti 21 years to 23 years, the Bhukti did not have the strength for a marriage to happen. So therefore, let us look at the Jupiter Bhukti. Jupiter Bhukti came in 2011 March, and therefore Jupiter's influence on Venus, on Moon and on Saturn will definitely give marriage to the native. Now let us look at the transits, if the transits are fulfilling the event. In the chart, you can see that the Jupiter is posted in Pisces and Saturn is posted in Virgo, thereby blessing the 7th Lord Moon as well as the Karaka Moon, fulfilling the dual transit. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.